Halito. So today I want to give you guys a phrase that'll be useful to you. I use it all the time. And we all have that one person that is always late to the party or someone that's always late to a family dinner or function. And so you can ask them this question. Himo ish lahon. Himo ish lahon. Himo ish lahon. And so this means, are you just now getting here? You just now getting here? And so himo means just now. Ish refers to you. La actually comes from the word Allah, which means to arrive here. And then hon is our question marker. And so if you have that person, you can ask them this question. Himo ish lahon? You just now getting here? And so I hope this helps. This is one of my favorite phrases, and I hope you use it. Hachapisa la jagi.